Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance on your laptop. First, navigate to the Binance website and begin the registration process. You'll need to provide a valid email address or phone number and create a strong password. After setting up your basic account, proceed with identity verification, often called KYC, to access all trading functionalities. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for robust security measures, protecting your assets from unauthorized access. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Once your account is secure, it's time to fund it. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet by selecting the appropriate coin and generating a deposit address. Alternatively, purchase crypto directly using fiat currency through various methods like bank transfers or credit/debit cards. Binance also offers a peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading platform, allowing you to buy and sell crypto directly with other users using your preferred payment methods. Choose the option that best suits your needs. With funds in your account, you're ready to trade. Binance offers various trading interfaces, from simple convert options to advanced spot trading. Familiarize yourself with different order types, such as limit orders for specific prices, market orders for instant execution, and stop limit orders for risk management. Utilize the comprehensive charting tools and market data to analyze trends and make informed trading decisions. Always start with small amounts to get comfortable with the platform before committing larger sums. Finally, effective asset management and security are paramount. Regularly check your portfolio to monitor the performance of your investments and review your transaction history. When withdrawing funds, ensure you use the correct wallet addresses or bank details and confirm all security prompts. Always keep your two-factor authentication active and consider using a hardware security key for an extra layer of protection. Staying vigilant helps safeguard your digital assets on the platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.